Okay, so let's get started. One of the first things you're going to want to do is download OpenSCAD, and you can get that from OpenSCAD.org. And one of the things you're going to want to notice is that OpenSCAD is supported as an open source project, and you can click on that button right there and help support its development. So give that a look while you're downloading, while you're waiting for your download to finish. So let's go down here, and you're going to want to look for the releases that will fit your operating system. Right now my best option is the Windows 32 installer, and I've already downloaded that. Okay, and when that installs, what we're going to do is we're going to take a break from actually looking at the program code and focus on how I started the measurements, and that is as simple as it seems. Basically, that's just my hand traced on a piece of paper, and then what I did is everywhere I wanted a joint, at say these knuckles, I placed a dot, and then I took my handy dandy digital calipers, turn those on, make sure that they were zeroed out, and I'm measuring all of these in millimeters. And so the sort of things that I did, I actually would take a measurement of the width, the length of the hand, say for example the distance between two knuckles. For example, that turned out to be about a little over 26 1/3, and so then I would write 26, and then I've got all of these different lengths measuring to the tips of the fingers. Same thing for the thumb. There's 34.5 millimeters, 32.5. Basically, this was a lot easier than trying to, say, measure my my hands, and of course it's nearly impossible to measure and shoot the video at the same time. As you can see, you can just imagine. Yeah. So trace out what you want, then measure it, document everything that you need, and it's going to go a lot smoother when we get over here and start writing the program code. So after that downloads, just install it. And let's see where we are. OpenSCAD should be here. Sure enough, there it is. First time you run it, it's going to check your graphics cards, make sure it knows exactly what to do. Okay, so there is OpenSCAD, and we're going to revisit that in just a little bit with some actual program code to generate a couple of simple shapes.